Where's the nearest bank?
It's just around the corner.
What did you do over the weekend?
We went to the beach.
Are you still coming to the party?
Yes, I wouldn't miss it.
What's on the agenda for today?
Just a few meetings.
How long have you lived here?
For about 2 years.
Did you find what you were looking for?
Yes, thank you for your help.
Can you recommend a good movie?
You should watch Parasite.
How do you make this dish?
It's a simple recipe. I can send it to you.
Is the museum open on Sundays?
I think so, but check the website.
What's the best coffee you've ever had?
The one I had in Italy was incredible.
Are you almost ready to go?
Just putting on my jacket now.
How much does this cost?
It's 2050.
Can you turn the music down a little?
Oh, sure, sorry about that.
Did you get a haircut?
Yes, just a trim.
How was your flight?
It was smooth, no turbulence.
What time are you going to bed?
I'm planning to go to bed early tonight.
Can you recommend a good book?
The Alchemist is a great one.
What's your favorite season of the year?
I love the autumn season.
Are you busy?
A little bit. What do you need?
What do you want to eat?
I'm in the mood for a burger.
What's your favorite song?
Don't Stop Me Now by Queen.
What's your zodiac sign?
I'm a Libra.
How long does it take to get to the airport?
About 45 minutes with no traffic.
Did you hear the news?
No, what happened?
What time did you get home?
Around 11 p.m.
Is it raining outside?
No, it's just cloudy.
What are you listening to?
A new podcast episode.
Have you tried this restaurant?
Not yet, but I've heard it's good.
What's your favorite movie genre?
I really enjoy comedies.
Can you describe what happened?
There was a small power outage.
How are you feeling today?
A bit tired, but okay.
What's your favorite season?
Definitely spring.
Are you getting enough sleep?
Not really. I've been working late.
What are you cooking?
Just some fried rice.
Did you receive the package?
Yes, it arrived yesterday.
What's your job?
I work in marketing.
Are you from around here?
No, I'm just visiting for the weekend.
What are your weekend plans?
Going to a friend's barbecue.
How's your new phone?
It's great. The camera is amazing.
What do you want for your birthday?
Just your company is enough.
Can I get you something to drink?
I'm good. Thanks.
Did you finish your homework?
Almost. Just one more page.
What's the address?
It's 456 Elm Street.
How was your doctor's appointment?
It went well. All clear.
What's the capital of Japan?
Tokyo.
Are you coming to the game?
I'm not sure. I have a lot to do.
What's the weather like there?
It's sunny and warm.
Can you send me the file?
Yes, I'll email it to you.
Did you enjoy your meal?
It was excellent.
What's the name of this song?
I think it's Uptown Funk.
How did the presentation go?
It was a little nerve-wracking, but okay.
What do you want to be when you grow up?
I want to be an architect.
Are you feeling tired?
A little bit, yeah.
Did you remember your wallet?
Oh, thanks for reminding me.
What do you think of this idea?
I think it's very innovative.
Are you busy tomorrow?
No, my schedule is open.
What's the best time to call?
Anytime after 5 p.m. is good.
How do you know them?
We met through a friend.
What's the name of that movie?
It's called The Shawshank Redemption.
Are you going to the store later?
I might. Do you need anything?
What's the matter?
Nothing. I'm just a little stressed.
How's your new job?
It's challenging, but I'm learning a lot.
Can you show me how to do this?
Sure, it's easier than it looks.
What are your hobbies?
I enjoy playing chess and reading.
Did you have a good time?
It was a fantastic time.
What's your favorite band?
I really like Coldplay.
How long is the drive?
About an hour.
Can you believe it's almost the holidays?
I know, it came so fast.
What's the date today?
It's September 20th.
Are you still working on that?
Yes, it's taking longer than expected.
What's the population of your city?
About 1.5 million.
How did you meet your significant other?
We met at a coffee shop.
What's the weather forecast for the weekend?
Looks like it's going to rain.
Did you get tickets for the concert?
Yes, I got them this morning.
What are you drinking?
Just some sparkling water.
How do you spell that?
Grammar.
Are you free this evening?
I'm going to the gym.
What's your favorite animal?
A dolphin.
How did you learn to play the guitar?
I took lessons for a few years.
Did you hear about the news?
No, what happened?
What's your favorite type of cuisine?
I love Japanese food.
How long have you been doing that?
For about 3 years.
Can I have a word with you?
Of course, what's up?
What's the temperature inside?
It's a cool 70 degrees.
Did you bring your phone charger?
No, I forgot it at home.
What's the plan for the weekend?
We're going camping.
How do I get to the bus station?
Take a right at the end of the street.
What's the most beautiful place you visited?
Probably the Grand Canyon.
Did you try the new bakery?
Yes, their croissants are incredible.
How long is the movie?
About an hour and a half.
What's on your mind?
I'm just thinking about work.
Have you ever been scuba diving?
No, but I'd love to try it.
What's your biggest fear?
I'm afraid of spiders.
How do you know that?
I read about it in a magazine.
What's the best way to relax?
I like to read a book.
Did you get your hair cut?
Yes, just a trim.
How was your flight?
It was smooth, no turbulence.